Have you ever pondered how much wisdom is concealed in the rustling leaves of an ancient tree or the gentle lapping of waves against the shore? Welcome to a journey into the heart of nature, a realm where time stands still and the hustle and bustle of our daily lives fade into insignificance. In the serene embrace of the natural world, we find peace, inspiration, and a wealth of wisdom that has the power to transform our lives. Picture this: a vast forest dappled with rays of sunlight filtering through a canopy of emerald leaves. A deer steps lightly through the underbrush, its ears alert to the sounds of life all around it. The forest is alive, a symphony of life expressing itself in 1,000 different ways, each one a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. Or take a moment to visualize a stunning mountain range, its peaks kissed by the rosy fingers of dawn. The mountains stand tall and proud, bearing the marks of thousands of years of wind, rain, and snow. They are a testament to the power of patience and perseverance, teaching us that true greatness takes time to build. And then there's the vast, endless expanse of the ocean, home to a variety of life forms, each uniquely adapted to thrive in its depths. From the microscopic plankton to the colossal blue whale, the ocean is a world of wonder and mystery, a reminder of the vastness of life and our humble place within it. Each of these scenes, and countless others, hold lessons for us. They teach us about resilience in the face of adversity, patience in the pursuit of our dreams, and humility in the grand scheme of the universe. They inspire us to lead lives rooted in the principles of harmony, balance, and respect for all life. So, take a step outside, wherever you may be. Look around and truly see the world around you. Listen to the song of a bird, watch the dance of a butterfly, or simply feel the wind on your face. In these simple, everyday experiences, you'll find the wisdom of nature whispering softly to your soul. Subscribe to our channel and join us as we explore the boundless beauty and wisdom of the natural world. Journey with us into the heart of nature and let its wisdom inspire, refresh, and deeply connect you to the magic of life.